Introduction. CSS is a design language used to improve the appearance of HTML elements. CSS is a cornerstone technology alongside HTML and JavaScript, forming the building blocks of the World Wide Web. What are CSS style sheets? CSS style sheets are a collection of formatting rules that control web page appearance. They are used to style and lay out web pages, including changing font, color, text size, and element spacing. Inline internal and external CSS. Inline CSS styles specific HTML elements by adding the style attribute directly in the HTML tag. Internal CSS styles a single HTML page by adding the CSS code in the style tags in the head section. External CSS involves creating a separate .css file and linking it to the HTML document, promoting reusability and cleaner code. CSS syntax. A CSS rule set consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector points to the HTML element to be styled, and the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value, separated by a colon. Tips and tricks. Always close your CSS declarations with a semicolon. Use external style sheets for code reusability and maintainability. Use CSS comments to document your code. Use hexadecimal color values for better compatibility across browsers. Common error-prone cases. A common mistake is forgetting to include the units of measurement in CSS. Incorrectly linking the external CSS file to the HTML document is another common error. Conclusion. CSS is a powerful tool for enhancing the appearance and feel of web pages. Understanding the basic principles and best practices of CSS is crucial for writing efficient and maintainable code. With practice and patience, you can create beautiful and responsive web designs.